Minister in charge Transport, Sakyat Lamare, on Tuesday informed that Shillong Delhi flights run by Flybig are currently not operational. He cited that Flybig was chartering a Spice Jet for the Delhi-Shillong Delhi flight since its launch in December 2020. However, with the constraints of the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, SpiceJet was no longer able to provide its aircraft to Flybig, leading to a disruption in the service. It was also informed that to resume the service, Flybig looked at securing an aircraft on dry lease, but due to the pandemic, it was not possible, leading to a further delay in resuming the Delhi-Shillong flight.
Reasons for Shillong Delhi flight being not operational are as follows. Flybig was charged. Yes, sir. I totally agree with you, sir. The route from Delhi to Shillong is a very concerned one. But, sir, this is the first step that we have taken in regards of flights flying from Shillong directly to Delhi and Delhi directly to Shillong. So we will look into this one, sir. If this one at all becomes successful, then in future we might be able to look up for more flights from Delhi to Shillong, and not only from Delhi to Shillong, sir, in fact, but from other metropolitan destinations as well.
The budget session of JHADC began today. Headport